From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHelp.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHelp.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now here's the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Today we're going to talk about how you can stop the debt headaches and dig out of the debt ditch. Don't continue with sleepless nights or fear about how you'll survive until your next paycheck. Kevin Heupel, a debt relief attorney with an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, joins us today to discuss your options for eliminating debt. And Kevin also has a special offer for our viewers, including how to get his new ebook, How to Know When It's Time to File Bankruptcy. So thanks for being here.
Sure.
Now, a lot of people with this economy are affected with overwhelming debt.
Sure.
What are some of the options for them?
They got 5. They got credit counseling, debt settlement, loan workouts, loan modifications, and bankruptcy.
And then how does someone know if they actually have too much debt?
Well, you just feel it. You know, you feel like you can't pay your debt. You feel like you can't get out of it. And then if your debt is more than 30% of your income, you just never pay it off. So there's that financial sign. But you know when you have that problem.
All right, then what's the best solution if someone wants to completely eliminate debt?
Typically, it's going to be bankruptcy. 9 out of 10 times, that's the best solution. And the reason why, it's a federal law. It's been around for 200 years. You know what you're going to get when you do bankruptcy.
All right, then tell our viewers, what debt will bankruptcy get rid of?
Well, it gets rid of all debt except taxes from the last 3 years, child support, alimony, and student loans.
All right, so the last 3 years of taxes, but maybe before or longer than that, you can actually get rid of those.
Right, so right now, 2008, 2007, 2006, we can get you out of those taxes.
All right, now you actually have bankruptcy, what you call trick, but it's not really a trick. But tell our viewers what that is, though.
Yeah, it's something people don't know about, but you can remove your second mortgage in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. If your home is underwater from the first mortgage, you can pop off the second mortgage, never pay it again.
A lot of people are probably finding themselves in that situation when they're upside down in a home and their first mortgage is worth more than the value of their home.
Absolutely.
So that is a great quote-unquote trick, but it's a federal law that you take advantage of. Now, when people do file bankruptcy, a lot of people think, I'll lose my house, I'll lose my car, I'll lose my retirement, but you don't, do you?
You don't. Your retirement's 100% protected, so if you think I'm going to take money out for retirement to pay debt, don't. Look at bankruptcy first, because in the future, it's going to be a better solution for you.
And really, your credit is probably ruined at this point, but when you file bankruptcy, you can rebuild it very quickly, can't you?
Oh, it rebuilds really quick, and within 2 years, you're looking at a credit score in the 700s. You're able to buy a home with an FHA loan.
What about some other advantages that bankruptcy would entail?
Well, what bankruptcy's biggest advantage is it's the cost. You know, when you're doing credit counseling, you're going to pay well more than what you owe. So in this example, we're looking at $100,000 of debt. Credit counseling, you're going to pay over $110,000. Debt settlement, you could settle it for 35%, but then you got to pay taxes. So now you're at $53,000. Chapter 7, attorney fees and all that, $2,500. You don't pay any debt back. And if you're Chapter 13, where you have some income, you're looking at maybe $18,000 of it. So both bankruptcy solutions are better than credit counseling and debt settlement. And then it just depends where you're at in terms of income, which one we can get the relief from.
We actually have a testimonial. We get actually several testimonials from your clients, but we have one here from Wesley from Sterling, Colorado, who says, filing for bankruptcy is a difficult choice to make, but the people at Heupel Law have made the decision easier and reassuring. So we get those over and over again from your clients. You've actually helped people on our staff get out of debt going through bankruptcy, so thanks for that too. You also make promises to your clients that include money-back guarantees. Explain what those are.
Yeah, basically what it is if you follow our process, I'm going to get you a discharge. If I make a mistake, I'm going to correct it. And if I can't do these things, I'm going to give you your money back, no questions asked. I'm the only firm in Colorado that does it. So when you're shopping for the bankruptcy attorney, go with people who can deliver and back up what they're going to do.
Excellent. And you have an offer for our viewers too.
I do. The first 25 calls